Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Place both AirPods Pro in the charging case and close the lid briefly, then open it near your iPhone so the devices pair. Make sure the iPhone is on a stable Wi-Fi network and plugged into power. This prevents interruptions during firmware transfer. Once paired, keep the case lid open and the phone unlocked. This initiates the automatic handshake that allows the manual update process. Next, you trigger and monitor the firmware install. With the AirPods in the case and lid open, place the case next to the iPhone and disable low power mode if active, because the phone needs full networking. Then, toggle Bluetooth off and on to refresh the connection and force the update check. This encourages the iPhone to push firmware to the AirPods. Make sure you wait patiently. The transfer can take several minutes, and moving the devices can interrupt the process. To finish, verify the firmware version in Settings under Bluetooth by tapping your AirPods and viewing About. This confirms success. If the update didn't apply, restart your iPhone and perform a quick reset of the AirPods Pro by holding the case button until the status light flashes amber then white, then repeat the update steps. If problems persist, try a different stable Wi-Fi network and keep devices plugged in. This often resolves connectivity stalls and allows the firmware to install properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.